Hi, I'm Jeremy Itoje, an evangelist for the Global Digital Workplace team, and I am talking to you from my home today around what a graduate can expect joining the team. It's a fantastic place to learn and develop your skills. So let's get started.
So the digital workplace is one of the most exciting areas in Atos, and I'm going to talk to you about the graduate experience. So firstly, the digital workplace is a really diverse area to work. There are so many different projects that you can find yourself working on, and we really do believe that the opportunities for you to make an impact are countless. So just a few things that I did when I joined the team as a graduate. So I was part of the team that was shaping the portfolio. From day one, I was asked to look for new technologies to find out what the trends are in the market and to really input that into our portfolio. So that's about finding the gaps and seeing where you can improve. Again, there is a lot of work to be done around defining the go-to-market. So this is how we actually communicate the Atos digital workplace employee experience message to the market, and how we ensure that everyone is aware of what it is that we have on offer. There's a really exciting opportunity to work with partners from Google, some Microsoft. You'll really be at the forefront of some really exciting partnerships. For example, myself, I managed to travel to Seattle with the digital workplace team to visit Microsoft and have an EDC with them. We were really exposed to some of the new and exciting technologies that they have on offer. And once you've had exposure to all these, you'll be asked to work on early client engagement and also bids. So this is a really opportunity for you to work really closely with our clients and with our customers to make sure that their employees are having the best employee experience by utilizing the digital workplace. After that, you'll be working in a extremely fun and dynamic, but also engaging environment. I believe this is the environment that will get the best out of you, so that you can really develop yourself as a person but also as someone in the Atos employee family. So as I mentioned before, the environment is engaging. You're working in a global team who are the leaders in digital workplace. According to the industry analysts, but also to Gartner, we are really at the forefront of digital workplace, and we're leading the charge. It's a global team, so we'll be working from people in North America to Europe, but also in Asia as well. So you really have the exposure to a wide variety of people from across the globe. And also you're learning from industry experts. So there's no better place to learn your trade other than with people who are at the forefront. And then lastly, it's a very flexible and friendly team. So you'll have the opportunity to work in a way that best suits you, and also you'll be giving the most support possible. And then finally, what will you develop as your time in the Atos Digital Workplace team? Well, it's really an opportunity for you to become an industry expert and develop some new skills. So firstly, that variety of new skills, because you're working in the digital workplace and that sits across so many different of the industries in Atos, you'll have the opportunity to work in something like manufacturing, and then in a couple of weeks' time be pulled into financial services and insurances. It's a fantastic way for you to get a wide exposure to a load of new projects and really develop new skills along the way. You'll be working with cutting edge technology. So you'll have the opportunity to work with virtual reality, augmented reality, end user computer analytics, new scripts, and loads of different interesting tools that can really make it an exciting and dynamic place to work. You'll also be given the opportunity to grab new industry certifications. So whether that's Google certifications, Microsoft certifications, or just general industry certifications, you'll be able to grab that and do that within the digital workplace team. And finally, you'll have material business impact. So from day one, unlike some areas where it may be where you may find yourself working quite a while before you can actually feel like you're making a real impact on the business. In Atos, and specifically in the digital workplace team, from day one, you'll have the opportunity to really go out there and make an impact on the business. As I mentioned before, the portfolio and the go-to-market are really vital parts of the Atos business. So you'll have that opportunity straight away. So thank you all for listening about the graduate experience. We really hope that this little short bit here really excites you and makes you want to join the digital workplace team.
Thank you for listening. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to connect with us on LinkedIn, where we'll be happy to answer any queries. Best of luck.